Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day in the Little Rock, Arkansas area. Man, we don't have trees like this in Albuquerque. I am in the North Little Rock area, close to Mall Mall, and something's going on with my trailer lights. I got brake lights, I got turn signal lights, but I don't have driving lights. So I'm going to pin out my little connector here, see which one is dead, and try to get that fixed so I don't get pulled over and get a ticket. I'm going to put a fuel door on this XC90. Lost that somehow. The lock works, but I noticed most of the ones I found, the lock thing is busted off of those. Also, the inside door handle didn't open the door. So, let's get my buddy Keith out here and get this cracking. Around with this trailer wiring, I got power coming into the box, but no power coming out of my transformer thing here. So I'm going to cut that brown wire and hot wire it and see if that fixes my tail light. So I back probe this. I can get the probe in there. Not really. Let me probe it in here. Now I got 12 volts. Now you really don't want to run these wires direct without one of these power modules. The purpose of that is that thing has a hot power and it powers the light off of your hot power, and you're not running additional lights off of your light circuit, adding extra load to your light circuit, which could cause bulb failure, stuff like that. So let me cut the parking lights off, plug this back in, and see if we got trailer lights now. The moment of truth, trailer lights on the run. So I need to get another power modulator, and let me load this car back up. Pick up Diane. Notice my spare tire was on the tilt. Lost one of my U-joint bolts, so I gotta see if I got a nut that'll go on that U-joint, secure that spare tire back. If not, I'll have to toss it in the car. Here we are, folks, pulling up. I believe this is Mississippi State University in Greenville, Mississippi. I didn't even know it was like this. It's Mississippi State way down here, but I believe we are here. So let me figure out where I'm going. I think this may be the left I want to make. Oh, I see it. I see the car. I see it. We are getting close. I think we'll fit through here. And there it is, folks. The next project. Let's bed it down right here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.